all.
If any have any please. What's the problem?
I'm had a head for relax today, and my throat is very hard.
Are you coughing?
No, dog. But are we busy?
Okay, let me check. It's nothing true. You have those good influenza. You were protection for you carry you up.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Good evening, doctor. Good evening. I am sick, please. What's the problem?
I have had a cough for the last day, and my throat is painful.
Are you coughing?
No, doctor, but I'm always sneezing.
Okay, let me check. It's nothing sure. You have just got influenza. It was question for you. Here you are.
Thank you.
You are